Hey bestie, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Janet, aka JP, and if you're returning, welcome back, bestie. Today's video is going to be our unboxing, and y'all, let me show y'all how many packages we got today. Let me put them out back here for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh my god! Wow!
We have 12 packages to unbox. So let's hop straight into the video. Okay, this is the first one we're gonna open up. Once again, this is from the Purple Ticket, the TikTok shop. We got a few items. First thing we have is a selfie stick tripod. So wireless selfie stick tripod. I was just like, let me just get a back one just because. Next we have a graphic t-shirt. Oh, I'm excited about this because I want this so bad. Oh, she eats. She eats. This is fire. This is fire. This is fire. I love it already. I got it in a size medium. This is a men's size medium. Next we got, I think this is like a cute little, you know, yeah. This is cute. Oh yeah, I got it upside down. This is cute. Wear it for my girlfriend. Okay, yeah, this is cute. This eats. This eats. It's gonna eat down. I got some bracelets. I think it's like 20 bracelets in here. I got some bracelets. And then, ooh, I'm excited about this. I've been seeing everybody talk about it. Wait if I can open it. I got the viral cardigan. I got it in chocolate. Y'all, she's thick. This material is good. Hold up. She is so cute. She is so cute. Look. So that's all for this one. Let me go ahead and open up the next one. Here's the second one. Let's see what's in here. I just forgot what was in this one. Oh, yeah, I got this cute two-piece set. Oh, and I did get some cute, like, I don't know if they're pajama pants or like furry sweatpants. I got them in camo. They're so cute. So y'all, we're gonna do a try on haul with all of this stuff, all the clothes we're gonna do a try on haul with in the next video. If you missed this purple ticket, please don't miss the next one, y'all. It's pretty much free money. Do y'all understand? Like, if you can get people to support, find anyone who can sign up for free, you can win. You can get a couple of hundreds worth of coupons to get free stuff. All this stuff in total was probably over $100. Y'all know how much I paid with taxes, because taxes won't be taken out from that coupon. You have to pay taxes out of pocket. I paid in total probably $5 for over $150 worth of stuff. $5. That's just from the taxes. I had 250 coupon tickets, and y'all, please don't miss the next one. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So let's finish this video. We're going to go with this one. Put all those back here so I can rip them apart fully. Oh, this was from that brand. So I was sent a camera, a digital camera. Next, we got some whipped tallow cream. It's a face and body moisturizer. with honey and beeswax. It's grass-fed pure beef tallow. Now we look through these packages. Okay. This is some hemp oil for dogs. There's 2 in here. This is from Some by Me. It's retinol intense reactivating serum. I like how the box feels. It feels like velvet or something different. But first, I know what this is. Just gonna sit on the front. This is prickly pear cactus seed oil. I'm actually interested to use this. I've never heard of this, so. Y'all don't cut like me, cause I would just be cutting all really new. Oh, I forgot about this. We have another do or drink. Winter Blackout. The Friends ones designed for your friends. So I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. Here's my second to last small package. I don't know how they wrap this. I know what this is. Y'all got some cute slippers. We gotta see these because I gotta see if they look like the picture. Yeah. Some fur on them. They're so cute and they're so soft. We have some slippers. That's crazy. The slippers I have are toe up on the flow up. So I was like, these are so cute. We have some PR by Peach Slices. I have not opened this because I waited to get all my packages first. Oh, no, I was ready to open it. I can't see the address. They sent some. Yeah. We got some exfoliating toner, acne exfoliating toner. We got acne clarifying cleanser. Oh, I gotta see what this hit though, because I love me a acne clarifying cleanser with salicylic acid. It works beautiful on my face. And an oil-free moisturizer. Very cutesy. Last are these 3 bags, all from Halara. So let's see what they sent us. Oopsie. We got some more jeans. We got, I don't know what this is. I think this is like a 2-piece. I think it's a 2-piece. We got a green 2-piece. It says gray. Oh, gray green. Gray green 2-piece. We got some sweatpants. Oh, no. That was a skirt. That gray green was a skirt. We got some leggings. Some more leggings. These are green, gray. The other ones are black. And we got a bodysuit, a black bodysuit. I know it's gonna tip over, but I'll fix it. We got a like brown tannish cardigan. Oh, I just opened. We have some mocha meringue. That's like a brownish work pants, I think is here. Some pants. And then we have some more pants. These is like a tan color. And lastly, last and final, hold up, where's the bag? I know it's gonna have to one of these. We have a black sweatshirt, a blue sweatshirt. See, look. I knew that was gonna happen, y'all. And some brownish, I think, sweatpants. That is all for this video's haul. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you to all companies, brands, sellers who sent me PR, collab with me. I greatly appreciate it. Y'all know it's 2025 and the saying for the rest of the year, rest of our lives is it's only up from here. Okay, only up from here. I specifically waited to do a large PR haul for all my packages. Most of these packages I was sent in like December, but I just let them stack up until I got like, I still got more coming, but I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this video because I don't want to keep waiting any longer. So if y'all enjoyed this video, drop down a comment below, let me know how you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this out to everyone, your friends, your cousin, your auntie, your granny, okay? Send it out to everyone and tell a friend to come join because we besties. We locked in forever and ever. I love y'all so much. Hope you have a great day, a great night, whatever time you're watching this. Bye. Mwah.